Welcome to Victoria by the Sea, one of Prince Edward Island's most charming coastal villages. From above, the first thing you notice is the peaceful curve of the harbor, where fishing boats rest against the docks and the calm waters of the Northumberland Strait stretch toward the horizon. Tiny streets lined with historic homes lead down to the waterfront, giving the village the feeling of a postcard brought to life. Founded in 1819, Victoria by the Sea was once a thriving seaport and shipbuilding community. Its maritime roots still shape the village's identity. The wharf remains at the heart of the community, surrounded by colorful buildings, seafood restaurants, artisan shops, and quiet seaside views. As the camera moves across the shoreline, you can see why visitors are drawn here for a slower pace of life. The village is known for its welcoming atmosphere, fresh seafood, local theater, and thriving arts scene. In summer, the historic Victoria Hall becomes home to live performances at the Victoria Playhouse, bringing music and theater to this small coastal community. From the air, the contrast between red PEI soil, green countryside, and blue coastal waters creates the iconic landscape the island is famous for. Beyond the harbor, rolling farmland and winding coastal roads connect Victoria by the Sea to the rest of Prince Edward Island's south shore. From high above the quiet coastline of Victoria, the drone reaches outward toward Hampton, a small corner of Prince Edward Island, where the land rolls gently into the sea. In the distance, Hampton appears calm and untouched, framed by endless green fields, winding country roads, and the deep blue waters that surround the island. Even from afar, there's a sense of stillness here, the kind of place where time slows down and nature speaks louder than traffic or crowds. As the camera scans across the landscape, every detail tells a story. The patchwork farmland, the rugged shoreline, and the soft movement of the Atlantic breeze sweeping across the countryside. Whether arriving for a sunset walk, a lobster dinner, or simply a quiet escape by the ocean, Victoria by the Sea captures the timeless character of Atlantic Canada, peaceful, scenic, and deeply connected to the sea. Thanks for flying along with us over the beautiful landscapes of Prince Edward Island. If you enjoyed this aerial journey, be sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more drone footage, scenic flyovers, and cinematic views from across PEI and beyond. There's plenty more to explore from the sky, and we'll see you in the next flight.